Well, hey guys, in today's review, I want to talk about this cool little mini circular saw. I think this thing is pretty neat. I used it the other day and it works really well. It has a lot of cool features that I want to point out and show you guys. Number one, you can see it right here, has the little, again, protector, so when you cut, this will, slide back, but it will protect you. It also has the little bevel here, so you can change this, you can adjust this. You can see this right here, just adjust that. So if you want it to kind of cut at an angle, you can do that right here. It even has the angles, right there on it. So you can adjust that and then tighten it back down. So then that one will stay. Then it has another adjustment right here for another angle. So if you want to cut, certain ways, or if you want to, cut a certain angle, you can do that as well. So a lot of cool features on that. I like that you can adjust that a lot. But it comes with a few different blades. And the way you change the blades out here is the Allen wrench right back here. So all you have to do is slide this out and you're just gonna open this right up. See, it slides on there and then you just loosen it up. You'll have to hold, or no, it just should loosen right up. Boom. So you can just loosen that right up and put new blades in. It has multiple different ones. The ones it comes with that I have, you have the wood, plastic, 60 teeth, and then you also have the 24 teeth TCT blade for wood, and then I also have the 24 teeth blade for wood right here. So multiple different ones. It's the 4 and 9/10 inch, so 4-inch blade here, and so works really well. Like I said, I liked it. It's pretty strong. I like how convenient it is and small. So I didn't have any of these currently with me, and this was really nice. It's easy to just use. I have a friend that had one of these while he was kind of building stuff, and cutting small wood is super easy. All you have to do is slide it through there and it will smoke it. And so that's really nice, and again, super convenient and easy to use. So I like it. It's really fun to use, and you can just hook it up. All you have to do is plug it up right here, plug it up, and then has a little safety button right here. Push the safety button and you are good to go. So I think it works really well. I like it. Works. It was quick. Made quick work of some pieces of wood. I'll show you that in a minute. 2x4 and another piece as well. A couple other things I want to point out. It has a little place where you can divert the wood chips coming out. So if you want a little elbow here, you can put that on the end. So if you want to shoot it different ways, you can shoot it out like that. And then it also has another catch link. So if you're going to be like, maybe if you want to hook up, if you have something inside like here behind me and you want to make sure all your dust goes somewhere, or your wood chips go somewhere, and you need to make sure it's the right size, you can adjust this as well and point it different directions. Or if you want to put like a little vacuum on there as well, so you can do that. So you can hook it up. So multiple different ways that you can set this up, but overall it has worked really well. And again, there's so many little features like that. So I want to show you again me cutting with it. I think, like I said, it cut really well, but check out these shots. For the first try, I used just some old plywood, as you can see right here, just a little piece of scrap wood, and it cut right through it. Really straight cut, really smooth cut as well. I was really impressed with that, and went ahead and made a smaller cut as well. So a bunch of easy, smooth cuts with that. I do like how small it is, and it also feels pretty strong as well. Then I used it on a 2x4, and same thing, cut through there really well. As you can see, pretty easy to cut right through this, really strong, and did it really smoothly as well, which I was super impressed with. I can't speak to longevity, like I haven't used this a ton, but just in the few times I have used it, it's worked really well. I like how small it is and just easy it is to grab and move. And here is the Amazon listing. Just want to show you guys this. Again, all the items that it comes with. You can see right here all these pieces and the blades as well. So you got a bunch of those. And then you can see all the different features that I pointed out. You got the angle lock, the blade, guard, switch trigger, safety button, and all of these other pieces as well. So got all of those. You see adjustable cutting performance. You can see their depth right there. Then you also, again, see right here it shows the different angles. So whatever kind of angle you need to cut, you can do that. Then it also has the precise scale ruler. So if you need to use that, again, if you're going to be cutting like longer runs, you can use this right here and it works really well. I also think it's pretty nice at 70 bucks. That's a pretty good price for that. And right now, currently there's a $10 off coupon as well. So you can click that and check that out. It does have the option for you to get the actual one with batteries. Is a little bit more expensive at 110 right there, and it does even have you can see the laser. But one that was sent to me is this one, the corded one, and like I said, so far I've liked it. It's been a pretty solid option for me. But overall, I think this is a great DIY saw, super easy to use, and a pretty good price. I'll have a link down below if you're interested. Also, if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.